Hey campers, George here. I was out on a just spur of the moment walkabout and came across a really nice place just to sit and relax, and I thought what a good time and place to talk about a knife that I just purchased. And I actually purchased this knife as part of my Bushcraft tool roll. That was the intention. And I had the opportunity to use it, to pull it out. I hadn't ever looked at it. I just put it in there with the rest of the stuff because I was going to go through it and have a look at it and figure things out in my tool roll. But I had the opportunity to take it out and just whittle with it. I was actually wood carving on my big stick fork. It impressed me so much, I thought I'd share this knife with you. They're common. I think just about everybody has heard of them. I have seen them and could never figure out why people were carrying them instead of, a bush law. Like they had a pocket knife. I carry one. I always have a pocket knife on me. My everyday carry, CRKT M16. This guy. Always have it on me, and that's what I used to whittle with and things like that. And then I tried this guy and I was impressed. And the knife I'm talking about is this guy here. And everybody's going, oh really? Never owned one. I'd seen them being used and I thought it would be a good thing to have in my Bushcraft tool roll. And this is the Opinel, I think is how you pronounce it, from France. And this is the number 8. So I got the number 8. It seemed the most common one. I'm impressed. This is the carbon blade. It is a folding knife, has the wood handle, and even that, as simple as that is comfortable. I really like the size, fits my hand nicely, and for carving a piece of wood, it's the right size to carve. And you might just be noticing how easy that cuts through wood. Now this is pretty soft and wet. It slices through. The sharpest knife I have ever bought that came from the manufacturer, as sharp as this, right out the box. And you can see on here, and you can see there, this is the Opinel carbon blade. Such a simple knife. Even the way it locks is so simple. Now it folds in, and it's not a flick knife, it's not assisted or anything like that. You have to pull the blade out, and it locks with this ring here. I'm not sure what it's made of. It's pretty sturdy, and if you look here, everybody knows Opinel comes from France, and it says here made in France. This company's been around for a long, long time, and some very famous names have carried them in their pocket. The way you lock it is this collar turns just like that, and you can see there how it locks the blade. I can't pull that blade out because this piece here is locked it in. Hopefully you can see that. Obviously to open it, you have to twist, and you can see how it opens up here. So now I can pull the blade out just like that, and then I'm going to lock it again by turning this thing around. As you turn the ferrule, it locks the blade. Right. The blade is in there solid and it don't move. So simple, yet so well designed. I'm very impressed with this knife, can you tell? The sharpness and the simplicity of this whole knife. And by the way, I just noticed on here it tells you what size knife it is, and this is number 8. So what I want to do is grab a stick here, just try it out, see how well it does. First thing I want to do is clean some bark off. So just using that same slicing motion, this stuff, look at that. It just slices right through it. Now, it's not a big, heavy bushcraft or camp knife. This is a pocket knife. I would say it's a pocket knife. If you like to whittle or carve wood, might want to look at this. And like I said, they come in different sizes, from really tiny to about a number 12, I think it is, or even bigger than that. Can I make a notch? Let's find out. I'm just going to make a plain number 7, and I'm pretty sure I could batten this, but lightly batten it. You don't want to put it through its paces. Stop cut there. You can see it, how deep it is. Just me pushing down on it. And then I'm going to just cut into the stop cut and make a number 7 notch. And you can see, let me try and get closer for you. You can see here how easily this goes in. It's just slicing into this wood, no problem. Nice and easy there. Beak head notch. So let me do that very quickly. I'm just putting the 2 stop cuts in it. I haven't gone very deep. I should have gone deeper with the notch, but that's okay. It seems to slice right in there, no problem. And you can see how quickly I'm forming that beak. Just like that. Clean out the bottom here. Remember to always cut away from yourself. Safety. And there you go. Nice little beak head. No problem. There's no problem there. And like I said, slicing into this wood, I can strip this wood down just like that. This is actually a nice piece of wood. Look at the pattern on that. The grain. The other thing that we would typically use it for would be a ferro rod. You want to start a fire. A feather stick. Want to do that as well. So let's see if we can do that. So let's see if we can just feather this little piece here quickly. And I'd be surprised if I can't do that. This might not be the best wood, but I'm doing this freehand right now. And you can see how easily that'll feather. These are pretty thin curls, and I think if you have the right piece of wood, so there you go. A quick look and my opinion on the Opinel number 8. And if you saw in the beginning of the video, I put up the specs and everything, and a little bit of a history about it. Looking for a nice little pocket knife? I'd recommend this guy. And by the way, there is another company that makes sheaths for these, that they sit in perfectly on your belt. I have one in order. So there you go, campers. My look at the Opinel number 8. Do I like it? It's a great little knife. And the best part is, it suited my budget. Priced just right. Worth it? Absolutely. I highly recommend it. Give it a try if you've never had one. Now I know why everybody else does. And don't forget, like, share, subscribe. You know the story. Pretty sure I'll be back. Trudging around somewhere else. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Just saying.